welcome to today's video. This is another basic level phonics lesson. Today we're going to be looking at the AW sound when it's spelled A-U, A-W, or A-U-G-H. But first let's review some of the sounds from the previous lessons. Go ahead and read these sounds and then restart the video to listen and check.
Uh, uh, ooh, 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 ooh.
Alright, so which letters make the sound and which letters make the sound?
Uh, ooh,
So the can be made with either one or two, and then the sound can be made with three, four, five, and six. All right, now let's review some words. Again, try sounding these words out and then reading the word, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
mm, ooh, new, t, ooh, true, ooh, t, fruit, b, ooh, t, boot, g, d, good, b, o, bull.
All right, now we'll learn a new sound. So listen and repeat. Be sure to pay attention to the mouth position.
Ah, ah, ah. Pause.
And now practice sounding out these words and then listen and check.
V, ah, o, t. Vault. F, ah, o, t. Fault. P, ah, z. Pause. Ah, n, t. Haunt.
All right, now again, another letter combination to make the ah sound. So listen and repeat.
Ah, ah, ah. Paw.
And now practice sounding out these words and then listen and check.
P, ah. Paw. S, ah. Saw. Y, ah. N, yawn. O, ah. N, lawn.
And now another letter combination that makes the ah sound. So listen and repeat.
Ah, 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 taught,
Right now, practice reading these words and then listen to check.
t, ah, t, taught, k, ah, t, caught.
And now practice sounding out and reading these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Ah, k, hawk, d, ah, draw, d, ah, n, dawn, f, ah, o, t, fault, p, ah, z, pause, t, ah, t, taught, f, ah, n, fawn, ah, ah, k, ah, t, caught, y, ah, n, yawn, d, ah, t, daughter, s, ah, saw,
All right, now listen and write down the words that you hear, and then I'll play the second time to fill in the correct answers.
saw, hawk, dawn, lawn, pause, taught, saw, hawk, dawn, lawn, pause, taught,
All right, and now let's practice these sight words.
fear, above,
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
the hawk flew at dawn. I saw him yawn. She taught her daughter how to draw. He taught law.
All right, now we're going to read the story, The Fawn and the Hawk. So look at the pictures, read the story, and then listen.
At dawn, I saw a fawn on my lawn. Above the fawn there was a hawk. The fawn saw the hawk and paused in fear. The sight filled me with awe.
All right, now practice reading the entire story again and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
At dawn, I saw a fawn on my lawn. Above the fawn there was a hawk. The fawn saw the hawk and paused in fear. The sight filled me with awe.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.